Welcome back to the channel. That is a big storm coming. So before that storm arrives, we are going to trap some fish. A little bit of storm fish trapping. Okay, first trap of the day. Let's check this one and see what we've got. This one's been set for about half an hour. And holy macaroni, this trap is loaded with gudgeons. Absolutely loaded. Let's have a look. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, that is a big gudgeon. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow. That trap is alive, guys. Holy macaroni. Fist full of native fish. Isn't that beautiful to see? Absolutely gorgeous.